so I'm filling in for Ann Cars today. I've got Kieran and James with me. Kieran's doing his thing. James is.
Hello, Ann Cars. A lot of crackheads here today.
R35. Okay, well, there's an R35 here now. James. Oh, I completely ruined that. Can you do that again? I completely ruined that.
What?
I've ruined it. I sneezed. Do it again. Oh, I can see a Civic with pinstripes. I missed it. GTS-T. I do like that. I will admit the white wheels is a good match. Yeah, it's a good mix. Micro.
RX-8 louder than your mum.
RX-8 louder than your mum last night.
Yep.
This thing's nice.
That'd be a good sticker. Louder than your mum last night.
That is a sticker. You know that, right?
Is it?
Yeah, that's why I said it. Yeah.
I'll buy one.
It is actually a sticker. I think this is nice. Genuinely, I think this is nice. Oh yeah.
Rolls Royce in there.
No. How is it like a Rolls Royce in there? Oh. There's some Asmobiles over there. They're, you know what? We're an open community. Right, let's get going. So what we can only see is a Seat Leon. No disrespect, it takes from once. It does actually. Absolute tunes on today. I don't know what they've got on.
One line flows, yeah, I got some of those. You get me, Jamie?
Like year 6 disco vibes.
If this was the year 6 disco, I would love this. That's not me. Act like a voice, man. That's not me. As if he's any better in front of me. Oh, the Micra is leaving.
I can do that.
The Volkswagen's for sale. Swear down. It's a Bora. It is actually really tasteful. I do like this.
Oh.
That's not bad. That is actually not bad. It's auto.
Cream interior.
Yeah, nothing wrong with the cream interior. Mate, your mum's got a cream interior. You're right there, James.
Yeah, look in the exhaust. There's a what looks to be a tiny dildo in the exhaust.
Oh, that is true actually. I didn't even notice that. A very, very happy Miata. I do actually like that Miata.
I like the R35. Can we have the R35?
We can indeed. Who's skidding? Me. It's a Golf.
It's a Polo,
Well, either one. What do you want to look at?
R35.
R35. It's on teeth. Hang on a minute.
Hang on a
That's
minute.
got teeth.
They're nice tyres.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Nice.
There's some reliable tyres. Wow. Okay, we found it. So we've come across a GTS, a GTS 25T. Now what's doing it? There's more revs over there.
Huge.
So R35, it's a lovely R35, carbon accents, bronze T37s with some nice tyres on. Oh, it is just nice. The front splitter. I love how much carbon's on this thing.
Tyres cost more than my car.
Does it actually?
Yeah.
What does that say about your car?
What size it is?
I just think that this looks so nice. Genuinely, it looks so nice.
20 inches.
This video is shambles, by the way, but I do love the TEs.
For those tyres, you're probably going over all over like £2,000. I might cost 1,700.
I want to go over to the Miata. I'm going over. Sparkos. Is it? It's full. Oh, Spark on OMP. Okay, I was close.
That's what my car
Everyone's your car does something like that.
But it doesn't anymore.
No, this thing is nice. Genuinely, like the Sparko with the. What are we saying about the fitment though?
Bit chody.
I don't think chody is the right word for fitment, James. Turn it off, kill it. What, people that drive that car need a cigar. Genuinely, if you're driving on a 35, you need a cigar.
I don't think I don't quite think it's true. Why have you got to do it down there?
I was going to say, I was about to stop filming as well. And the satin grey is nice with the black and the red. It is nice. This, I have no words for this.
That's actually nice. That's got
It's better than half the cars here.
yeah.
Back at the OEM cars, well, I say OEM, I don't know if that's factory,
That's
but...
OEM Plus.
Yeah.
Are you in college then?
They are not having fun here. Definitely looking as well.
They moon them.
No, do not moon them. No. So we've got an Eva. You motherfucker. So we have an Eva, I'm suspecting an 8 in carbon everything. Every little detail is carbon. This thing is fucking nuts. Ouchie. That thing's fucking mean. This thing is mean. Look at the size of the exhaust. Oh, hang on, I can see it halfway down. It's an E4, it's a 46 M3. Actually got a bit more quiet now, so we can do a review. All carbon, I like the all carbon. I like the fact that it's not just a black car, it's got a silver...
BMW badge.
Fuck off. No, on an actual Spectrum, this thing is nuts.
Very nice.
It's a bit, okay, there's a bit scratchy up here.
Yeah.
We won't go into detail about that. But where's my Evo?
Yeah, where's your Evo?
Yeah, exactly, where's my Evo? We have a KG Cars putting in the work. Oh yeah, and James. Oh yeah.
What I like about this one compared to the last one I came to,
There's German cars,
they're rotating in there.
Yeah.
Last one
It was only the 3 Supras, yeah.
No, in the day, it was a Supra and an R34.
Yeah. Go on, James, get involved. Go. He's straight back there. No way, the women have left the car. Holy shit. Not sure. The commitment. I gotta hear this thing. I gotta hear it.
The paint's actually really nice.
I like the wheel. The wheel is nuts.
sparkly white though.
Oh, this paint. I thought it meant his seats. I was like, what?
The paint.
What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that?
Way to ruin the video.
That's what I'm saying. Oh.
Easy, wasn't it? Shit.
What? Oh. Okay. It's James, give us a rundown. What's this one?
E46.
What's that one?
E92. It's
Thank
a
you.
four-door though, so you get say four-door more horse, and this is a BMW, then you get four-door less
horse. Oh. These wheels are nice, holy shit. I think the orange and the blue do go well. The wheels were obviously Nismo. I don't know if it is a Nismo. Nothing tells me that it isn't, but nothing tells me it is either. But there's, oh okay, it just has, so it's is it a standard 350 with Nismo wheels?
I think so.
Okay, just checking.
I don't know why you would debug Nismo.
I love this. I keep going back to this because you can't go wrong with the back end of these. R32s, the back end, there is just something to them. And what I like the best is the little Japanese writing on the exhaust. I think that's really, it's attention to detail. Goodbye. If Adam C can do it, so can I. Another 350. Standard. It's almost similar to the Saito Works one. It's just on standard wheels. So I think this is just standard bone stock, which is what I like. Other than the reflective tint. Didn't even notice the tint. Oh, there goes your mum's car. So me and James have located a, we saw it earlier, but I don't know if I've added it in or not. We've located a very nice Seat. It's a nice red, like maroon red colour. I don't really know what the colour is, but it is quite nice. I know. Yeah. All the aftermarket. What are we thinking? Asbo worthy?
Oh no.
I need a ranking tier, right?
It's a very tasteful Asbo.
We need like a. I'm gonna start rating cars at this show in terms of Asbo. So what's this? 1 through 10 Asbo rating.
What? 10 being the most Asbo.
10 being full Asbo. 1 being 3 or 4.
It's got stickers.
I'm leaning more towards a 4, just purely because I can see badges that say FR on. Now I don't know what they mean. I would say that's got to be a spec 4 Asbo there. Oh, I found a KG car.
Sorry, I'm gonna be here for the next one.
I spotted a KG car. We'll just sort of gaggle now because there's not a lot of cars. And there goes everyone. Literally everyone here has just gone in there. So we've got the bronze wheels, the blue accents, and if we get a nice little inside, we've got Sully. The fitment on the back, holy shit. This thing's just nuts. This thing is so nice. The music today is on point as well. We've now wedged ourselves in a corner, me and James, to get I don't even know what. Look at everyone. Look at everyone. This is more fucked than mine. Yeah, this thing's fucked, yo.
Oh, this is fucking heavy drift stuff. You gotta hold your handbrake.
Has it?
Yeah.
These things are cool. The colour on this has got something. I love this. The paint is just nuts. This one's standard, sort of, not really. Kenwood, Kenwood do base systems, don't they? Fat Willies and Vag Squad on the same car. Nice.